Grab the food, add your spice, make it nice. I'm telling you why. Flavour Station's coming to town. Howdy Flavour Chasers, roasting bags, very important. You're gonna need some celery. It's Christmas, we're gonna make it easy. Chop your tomatoes, this is what we're gonna stuff into the bird. You can use duck, goose, turkey, chicken. I like chicken. Chilli, 1 chilli, garlic just in half, bam, squash it, straight in, look at that. It's Christmas, man, we ain't got time to mess about. You can do this the day before. It's ideal, this is a hack. You can do this the day before, put it on a tray, put it in your fridge, and it's good to go. We're gonna make a marinade, everything. Thyme in there, onion, chilli, celery, mille pois. Now, red board, raw chicken. Now we just wanna open up the cavity. I know it's gross. We just wanna stuff all that in there. What that's gonna do, you see, it's gonna steam. There's a lot of water in tomato and onion and stuff like that. So it's gonna steam from within, but also release that chili, garlic and tomatoey goodness into the underside of the meat, especially the breast. We're gonna make it moist and lovely. It's gonna be beautiful. It's Christmas. You got people coming round. You gotta know that your chicken is bad blood. Your chicken is not to be messed with. You are the chicken. You get me? You are the chicken. Just rama. Pack it as tightly as you can, because it'll all shrink when it cooks. Oh, look, it's all filled out. Now what we're gonna do, spin around. Now we're gonna pump some garlic butter under the skin. There's a video on the channel how to make the garlic butter. If you'd like to have a look, click the card, go and have a look. Now what you wanna do is just put your fingers in and just make a little crevice, like a pocket for the garlic butter to go into. Look on this up, blood. I'd normally use a piping bag, but I mean I have it. So I'm gonna get a spoon. Look on this up. What you want to do is put a spoon in and then spread it across like so. Trust me, because that garlic butter, that melts, goes down into the skin, down into the leg cavity, down into all that under the chicken back. If you wanna make a curry the next day, all them thing there. Oh, look. Now that's all there. Spread a bit over the skin, any excess. Lovely. Stops it drying out. Do this with turkey or anything. We're gonna have some paprika, smoked paprika, salt, garlic powder, paprikash. Yes, white pepper in there. This is for anyone who don't like spice too tough. Garlic granules. You don't like, you don't want to offend anyone. Two chili flake there. Little bit of salt. You got all different people coming. You want the chicken to look patterned. There's some sunflower oil. Gonna make a paste. You want it to be hang and dank and lovely, but you don't want to blow people's heads off. This ain't jerk, man. This is a proper Christmas chicken / turkey / whatever meat you cook. It doesn't matter, blood. We're just gonna massage that in, baby. Yeah, man. No messing. Gives it colour. It's gonna toast them spices. It's gonna be beautiful, baby. Flavour Station, don't forget to subscribe. Trust me. Now all you gotta do is draw for your oven bag. If you don't have an oven bag, fine, just cling film it and just cook it in your oven. But I hate the splatter, and trust me, this helps all that veg and the chicken steam like 2 hours, and it just falls off the bone and it's moist and beautiful. So you gotta get that into the bag, tie it, seal it, and just yes. We're gonna tie that up. As soon as that's tied, get yourself cloth and wipe down your dirty man. Not good, man. Grab your tray that you want to cook it on, bang it in the fridge just like that overnight. Boom. Thanks for watching. It's Christmas time, baby. So click that little box there, click the bottom right, watch a video, subscribe. Love you. Bye.